How do I activate wireless charging on my iPhone XR?
Hello there. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to activate wireless charging on your iPhone XR. Today, we're going to guide you through each step of the process to ensure you're all set up and ready to charge without the cables.
Do you have the necessary equipment?
Before we begin, it's important to note that wireless charging requires a Qi-compatible wireless charging pad. Apple doesn't include this with the iPhone XR, so you'll need to purchase one if you don't have it already. Also, ensure that your iPhone XR is running the latest version of iOS to prevent any software issues from interfering with the charging process.
How to set up your wireless charging pad?
Once you have your Qi-compatible wireless charging pad, plug it into a power outlet. Most pads come with an LED indicator that lights up or changes color to show that it's ready to use. If your pad has an indicator, make sure it's showing that it's ready.
How to place your iPhone XR on the charging pad?
Now, all you need to do is place your iPhone XR on the charging pad. The back of your iPhone should be in contact with the pad. Try to center it on the pad for the most effective charging. When your phone starts charging, you should see a lightning bolt icon next to the battery icon in the top right corner of your screen. Additionally, you should see a battery charging notification on the lock screen.
What if my iPhone isn't charging wirelessly?
If your iPhone isn't charging wirelessly, check to make sure that there's nothing between your iPhone and the charging pad. Some phone cases, especially thicker ones, might interfere with wireless charging. If your phone still isn't charging, try restarting it and check again. If you're still having trouble, it might be an issue with the charging pad or the power outlet. Try using a different pad or plugging into a different outlet to troubleshoot the problem. And that's all there is to it. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to activate wireless charging on your iPhone XR. Remember, it all comes down to having the right equipment, setting it up properly, and placing your phone correctly. Enjoy the convenience of wireless charging.